Hello, today we will guide you through how to change language on Vinted. If you want to use Vinted in a different language, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to find the language setting and how to save your changes properly so the update takes effect. To begin, open your browser and go to the Vinted website. Once the home page is loaded, give it a moment so all menu items appear clearly. This makes it easier to spot the account controls in the top area of the page. Next, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon or profile menu. This is where Vinted keeps your account options, including the settings you will need for personal preferences, like language. If you're already signed in, the profile option should be available right away. After opening the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account details and adjust different preferences. Depending on your screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the setting names should remain the same. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Language option. Look for the Language drop-down menu, then click on it to open the list of available languages. If you don't see it immediately, continue scrolling slowly, as it may be located further down the Profile Settings page. Now select the language you want to use. Choose the option that matches your preference from the drop-down list. After you select it, the field should update to show your new choice. This is a good time to quickly double-check that you picked the correct language before saving. Finally, click on Update Profile. This step is important because it saves the change to your account. If you leave the page without updating your profile, the language setting may not be applied. After saving, the site may refresh or update parts of the interface to reflect the new language. If the change doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page manually. In some cases, navigating to another page on Vinted can also help confirm that the new language has been applied across the site. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Vinted. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process simple and easy to understand.